Let's think about charges moving through electric fields. I'm going to use this example here where I have a bunch of positive charges up here, and down here I have some negative charges. We're going to explore this more later, but you should at least at this point know that there would be an E field between these two bunches of charges. And the E field points from the positive side to the negative side. As if you would put a positive charge down, you would see that that positive charge moves in that direction. So these charges, they're going to feel a force. Charge would feel a force. Which means we could draw a free body diagram of some particles. So let's start with a positive charge that I put up there, and let's draw our free body diagram. Well, I only have Fe. Now, remember, I'm going to ignore the influence of force of gravity because the electric force is so much stronger that it causes Fg to become negligible. So when this charge moves down towards the negative charges, there's work done by this electric force. There's work done by electric force, and that work would be positive because work is force times displacement in the direction of the force, and both of these, the force is going this way, the displacement is this way, so the work would be positive. As the positive charge moves downward, though, its potential energy decreases because it turns into kinetic energy. So potential energy decreases. UE goes down. Okay, so let's think about a positive charge that starts over here and is pulled upward by some external force. So external force required. To move charge up. So let's do our free body diagram again. We've got the external force upward, and we have Fe downward. So the work done by the external force, well, that has to be positive because the force is up and the displacement is upward, while the work done by the electric field must be negative because the force is this direction, displacement is up. Those two will create a negative work, and the potential energy, hopefully you guessed it, it will increase. So UE goes up. Okay. Finally, let's think about what would happen if I threw an electron in the mix. Well, my free body diagram looks something like this, where Fe is going upward. The work done by the electric force must be positive because the force and the displacement align because this electron will move towards the positive charges. And UE, the potential energy due to the electric force, must decrease as this thing will get faster and faster and faster. Okay, cool. Let's pause it there.